cooking so fast, we're actually almost ready. This has literally taken 5 minutes to prepare this vegetable beef stir fry. My name's Healthman Mark, accredited dietitian and online coach. I want to help you out with your food. I want to show you that it can be quick and easy to prepare some meals that'll keep you going for the week. We're going to talk about stir fries today. I've got a nice, healthy, efficient beef stir fry with a mixture of vegetables packed with nutrients. It's going to taste beautiful. It's going to be so easy to make up. We're going to go through the whole process right here. Beautiful teppanyaki setup. Make it fun. Start to get passionate about food. You know, food needs to taste good, but it's also got to be healthy. Your food choices make up 80% of your physical appearance results. I want you to get some results. We all train hard, but where's the real results? It's in our food choices. So here's a nice, quick and easy beef stir fry. Let's get into it. First ingredient, onions, okay? Onions just make for a perfect start to a stir fry. So we chop these up, okay? Don't have to be chefy, nothing special going on here. Once the onions are all chopped up, we just throw them on, all right? Always good to start with the onions. I've got a little bit of olive oil spray on here, so it's sizzling up. Next ingredient, capsicum, particularly red capsicum, really high in vitamin C. Vitamin C, of course, helps absorb iron. So when we mix the capsicum with the beef, we're getting a good mixture there of vitamin C and iron. So far, we've just got capsicum and onion. It's mixing away. Nice and easy. Broccolini. Of course, broccoli's got extra benefits that help with stomach region fat burning. Targets that stubborn fat that sits around our stomach and lower back. So always good to incorporate a bit of broccoli or broccolini into your meals. Chop it up nice and small because this is going to mix, of course, as a stir fry. Now remember, folks, we could be making this for one serve, just for yourself, or for the whole family. So I'm not even measuring out the vegetables here. I'm using a lot of vegetable because there's really no portion of veg that we need to hold back on. Vegetables are just pure fat burning, keep you full for longer, help you feel satisfied and packed with your micronutrients, your vitamins and minerals. The beef over here, I've got a good 500 gram pack of beef. Okay, I'm going to cook all of it, and then I know I'm going to get about 3 portions out of this for myself, or you might be serving this as 3 or 4 serves for the family. Okay? So once this is going nicely, I might spray a bit more olive oil over it just so it's not going to stick. Of course, good if you're using a non-stick pan at home, or you can do this on your barbecues. The 3 vegetables that I've chosen here take a little longer to cook than the other vegetables, so that's why we've put them on first. The onion, capsicum, broccolini, we need them to cook a little bit, soften up just a slight bit. Then we're going to come to the zucchini and the mushroom that actually cooks pretty quickly. I like stir fries because they stay crunchy then. You don't want your vegetables to go too soggy. That's what often happens when you're steaming or boiling your vegetables. Get amongst the stir fries. All right, hard, smart, lean beef strips or beef cubes. All right, this could be any version. You could be getting these organic. You could be going to your butcher. I've actually simply just gone to my local Woolworths and kept it easy. All right, here we go. Of course, if you're not a beef lover, you can be using chicken. All right, vegetarians, you could be doing this with tofu, no problem. Excellent source of protein. Protein helps with muscle building, muscle toning, definition, recovery. Also the macronutrient that keeps you fullest for longest. It's got all your essential amino acids in here, which are quickly absorbed into your muscle. Actually the leanest of the food groups, that's for sure. You don't need to be holding back on protein, and I encourage you to try and have a source of protein with every meal or snack in the day. We've got this on high heat, and that's what we want. We want it to cook real fast. We've got to get the mushrooms on now. So we're going to chop these up nice and small. Just throw them on top. All right. Remember, if there's a vegetable here that you don't like, don't worry, you can choose your favorite vegetables. Choose your favorite varieties. That's a mushroom, and the last ingredient I want to put in here is some zucchini. Chop this up really small, and zucchini cooks quickly. Here we go. Throw that around. It's cooking so fast, we're actually almost ready. This has literally taken 5 minutes to prepare this vegetable beef stir fry. Look how delicious it is. It's starting to smell. I've got the mixture of all the vegetables here coming at me. I'm going to throw some fresh herbs in here now. Good mixture with the beef is oregano. Remember, the beef's going to cook very quickly. To keep it tender, you want to keep this on high heat, and it's only about 5 minutes of cooking. Isn't it good? And when you get involved and you cook yourself, you really start to get passionate about food and you start to get excited about making the right food choices. I encourage you to take ownership of that. Go in and do your food shopping. Cook yourself, prepare it yourself, play around. You can't go wrong really here, folks. You can see you can't go wrong. Whatever vegetables you throw together here are going to blend in nicely. Whatever meat you choose, it's going to be a fun dish that'll keep well through the week. You can simply microwave and reheat through the week. Now, what I would like to do is add a bit of flavor. I know it could get a bit dry otherwise, so here's a nice sauce that I've made up for you. We got tamari sauce, which is a low salt soy. Tamari is a low salt soy. We throw this over the top. There we go. A good bit of flavor. So we've got a bit of saltiness now. We want to add some sweetness. For the sweetness, how about the sugar-free maple syrup? Could use honey. Keep the sugar down by just throwing some sugar-free maple syrup. There we go. Now straight away I'm smelling the syrup, smelling the salt. Mix all that up. Oh, I'm getting excited. Okay. One more ingredient, if you like, a little bit of sweet chili. Okay. A bit of sweet chili, just your basic sweet chili. Not going to use a lot. Okay. That's it. That's all we need. Remember, this is making 3 serves. Okay. We're actually ready to go now, team. One more trick for you. If you wanted to add a carbohydrate source to this, like a source of carbs, you could add some rice. If it's lunchtime, I recommend adding that rice. If it's dinner time, leave off the carbohydrate, stick with the greens and the meat. All right. I've pre-prepared a little bit of rice earlier. I've just thrown this in the microwave. Keep it easy. You can get flavored rice. It's nice and simple, 90 seconds in the microwave. If we just warm that up on the side now, this turns into a perfect lunch. Because now we've got a source of carbohydrate, your protein meat, and your green vegetables, mixture of stir-fry veg. Wow. It smells good. We're ready to serve it up. All right, serving up onto a plate, lean beef mince, vegetable, rice stir fry. The meat has come out perfectly. Like, it's still that little bit of tender. You can see it's tender. There's a little bit of pinkness through it, but it certainly is cooked enough. It's not going to be too tough. A bit of everything. You've got that sauce coming through it. That right there, folks, is a typical lunch for me. It's Healthman marked, dietitian approved. We've got leftovers here for the rest of the week or for your family. Nobody's going to have an issue with this and not enjoy it. Get amongst it and have a crack. It's that easy. Healthman Mark signing out. Time to enjoy a meal.